Adjustable metal wall entry sleeve. The adjustable telescoping wall entry sleeve is made for walls between 4 1/4 and 7 3/4 thick. The Canine Kennel adjustable wall entry frame is perfect for both commercial or residential applications. This wall entry sleeve is compatible with our vertical sliding doors. Made from powder-coated steel for a long life that dogs can't chew. Quickly finishes off the rough-cut hole in the wall with an attractive black trim frame. Protects, covers, and holds any wall insulation in place. You may need to add blocking inside the wall for more support. The door hole measurements are 14 inches wide by 19 inches tall. Economically priced. Suitable for many types of exterior walls such as siding, stucco, brick and cinder block, wood, and PVC. Please make sure the width and height of our frame will accommodate your pet before ordering. This is a wall insert sleeve only and does not come with the door. Telescopes down to a minimum of 4 1/4 inches and opens up to a maximum of 7 3/4 inches. These sleeves are often used in conjunction with our vertical sliding doors and inside and outside dog kennels. Caulking is recommended for waterproofing. Do-it-yourself instructions are provided.